Just the scent alone, y'all. Just the scent alone. Like fresh mint, not dried mint. Fresh mint from tree. Just the scent alone is that healing relief. Well, me don't know if for indigestion or if you're sick with a cold or a flu, I have a remedy for you. I'm gonna make some black mint tea. So I want to pick no more than this amount. It should be good enough and should give you 2 cups of tea. It's strong, it's nice, and it's early morning. So the aroma is 1000%. It's awake and alive. If you have a mint, if you have fresh mint, go ahead and smell it. Therapeutic. I'm gonna make 2 cups of mint tea right now. So the first thing what we need for this, make sure so the mint wash and prepare properly. Look for all of the dead leaf them, take them off. And then you go on to add it to the pot or the kettle, whatever you use. And boil it for like 3 to 5 minutes. In my case, I go wait on the kettle for the start whistle. You can watch it for see it boil over. And I will just add some sugar and make it go and steam for like 3 minutes. And check it back. Bam. Mint ready. And it's time for share out. And that's it for lovely mint tea.